Hi, this is Rob Kranz with Webalo. Within every business, there are a number of critical, large-scale applications that personnel rely on to get their jobs done. The only problem with those applications is that the only access is desktop access. Wouldn't it be nice if there was an easy, affordable way to connect your end users' mobile devices to those back-end systems? Well, there is. With Webalo's Web Service Connector, you can connect your end users' mobile devices directly to your existing back-end applications. There's no need to design, develop, or maintain a user interface for each device platform. Webalo renders the appropriate user interface on the fly across all 4 major mobile operating systems. Here's an example of an SAP application being mobilized. It's a movie title availability app. The task starts off simply enough, by searching for a title. There's no need to enter the entire movie title, just 1 or 2 letters. This produces a small list of movies that this executive has the rights to sell. By selecting the title, we have the ability to drill down into the title details. This is a related app that uses the title name as an input. Webalo passes the name along behind the scenes so the end user doesn't have to type anything. On the screen, we see the full breakdown of the movie in question. On the summary screen, we can get a quick glimpse of the basic info about this movie, including a picture of the DVD case. The title information is broken down into 3 easy-to-access categories. End users can easily switch from the summary page to either the marketing or the details screen, all from the category drop-down at the top of the screen. Keep in mind, this data and functionality are all being pulled from a complex legacy back-end system that has 0 built-in mobility options. Now, via Webalo, we can mobilize the key features of these types of applications and make them available to your mobile workforce on any device they want. Once the client has agreed to purchase the rights, we return to the summary screen and click the icon to check the availability of that film. On that screen, a quick rundown of the availability lets us know the rights are available and we can proceed with the transaction. Here's another example of Webalo's Web Service Connector. This task is a list of assignments for a field service technician. To get his assignments, he simply enters his name and gets the list of jobs for the day. Once he selects a job site, he can pull from a list of work orders that he'll need to complete at that site, ensuring he has all the tools and technicians he needs to get the job done, no matter where he is. This saves time and money. Webalo's Web Service Connector can revitalize that legacy back-end system by creating new, exciting mobile apps for your end users. You don't have a monolithic ERP system that everyone is afraid to touch. You have a goldmine of mobility-based applications right at your fingertips. Webalo, it's the app for enterprise.